It's a Studebaker. Some of you might remember the Studebaker automobiles back quite a few years ago. Well, there's a line of radios called the Studebaker, and they come in various colors and various shapes. Most of them AM and FM, some only AM. Well, Jeff loaned me one of his. It's a Studebaker. You can get these on Amazon. They're about $25. And like I say, they come in various colors and slightly different styles. Got a nice carrying handle. This one is in perfect shape. It's like brand new. Over here we have the band select, AM and FM, and auxiliary input. Jeff points out in his notes that it has no earbud jack. And on the back, it's got a nice short, very short telescopic antenna for FM. Let's see, we extend it here. Oh, it's maybe 12 inches. And back here we have the power area. It uses either 4 C cells or a built-in AC adapter / cord. We're going to run it on the batteries today. If I can get the cover back up, on. There it goes right back on. And we're going to see what it sounds like. I'll get a close-up view of the dial, tuning dial, analog of course, on, off, and volume. That's about it. And I think, let's see, we're on FM. So we'll do a quick scan. I'll start at the bottom of the band. Turn it on. Here we go. We can do a quick scan because we want to stay away from music. DSP. So you have to leave it on a setting for a half a second so the DSP can kick in. Very easy to miss a station.
To just that. There is a single question that elicits
pretty good sized speaker.
Funny thought, and it makes a point. And you know, in the first place,
very clear.
We were very
picking up a lot of stations, but it's a little hard to tune because that DSP where it mutes while tuning. So you have to tune it to leave it there for a half second. Otherwise, you go right past the station. But it is picking up a lot of stations.
When him and his partner, Israel, as they approached the vehicle, a man in shock.
iHeartRadio, free never sounded so good.
right outside.
Is overseeing, and again, we know that he's a husk of a man.
The light tightened at 4. Stamkos power play goal. Natural and conventional medicine. It's strength.
Or the size of their case.
That was amazing how many FM stations it picked up. Okay, let's try AM. And we can put this down. Stow it away. See if it's directional. Let's go back down to the beginning of the band.
It's optics. You say, when can we do this? Hey, let's do it on Easter Sunday.
No, there was something weird about the timing of all of this, because
he signs the declaration on Thursday.
stand this way because the
It
stations are
happens
that
on
way.
Sunday, and then on Monday and
So I have to
Tuesday
turn
this
it
week,
like
he
this.
gets asked by the press because
Everything's out the framework of her body. It's a textbook.
Really good reception. Just a little hard to tune with that DSP front end.
try to gaslight people into making.
Read 761-0000.
I'm only this far on the band.
From the Fox Sports Studios in Los Angeles, here's Brian Fenley.
Leading up to the children who will never bring the tobacco in. To maintain and sustain existing joint partners.
Right, and the science behind it is something called
His skull split in several places. Daniel's brain.
Could be missing a station or two.
Mobile
Yeah.
network. A lot of the MVNOs run on T-Mobile.
Eso es 800. 28, day monthly cycle.
Yep, that's the end of the band. Pretty impressive. I am really surprised at how sensitive it is. It's fairly heavy because one reason it's got those 4 C-cells batteries, and then it probably has a transformer to run it off of the AC. Nice big speaker, like I said. The Studebaker in multi-colors. Comes in many, many colors. About $25 on Amazon. I'm impressed with the reception enough that I'm going to put it in my Amazon store. One of them, maybe not the red one. Yeah, I like the red one, not the light blue one. I think there's one that's green, and there are like several different models too. I think some of them are AM only. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. I want to thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.